All right, guys. You're welcome to this video. I want to show you how we cut this 4 hour trade, 4.3 hour trade in the VIP signal room, and explain to you some things that you might be getting wrong in trading this kind of pattern. Because I see a lot of people trade this pattern, but one thing that you could do right that can increase your win rate is what I want to expose to you tonight. Yeah. So we took this trade actually on the H1 time frame. Let me quickly show you. Right, this is the automated IQ VIP signal. This is the main channel actually, but this is the VIP. You can see where we entered here, right? You can see the same trade, why it's ETP1 here. It's just a proof to show you that this trade was actually, we actually took this trade, right? I think this is the trade as well here. Okay. Just to show you that we actually took this. Okay, this is when it hits final TP2. All right, this is the before and then the after. All right, so I think this is enough proof to show you that this trade was actually taken and it was sent to the VIP signal room. Actually, to join the VIP signal is free. Okay, so if you're interested in that, just click on the link in description box, right? Or just leave a comment and then I'll send you the link to join the VIP signal room. Like I said, it's free. Okay, so let's quickly go into this and let me show you this setup. Let me delete all this so we can analyze this together. Okay. So looking at it from here, right, we can see that we had a shift in market structure here, right? This is what I'm talking about. We had this, and this. They actually broke structure. Okay, let me delete this. I'm not going to talk about this trade per se, because this is not what I plan on talking about. But you can see that we had a shift in market structure here. Let me bring this out. Okay. Or let me draw it this way. Let me draw it this way. Price was selling, right? Then we bought, then we sold, but it didn't come down to take out this low, right? It didn't come down to take out this low. Rather, it went higher. Look at that. Okay. So this is a shift in market structure. This is the H4 time frame. This is one of the things I use to identify change in market structure. Okay, this is the one of the things I use to identify change in market structure. Okay. So we have that actually play out. We have that play out. Yeah. All right. And there was a setup there. There was a setup here. I don't know if I should show you that. Okay. So obviously you can see price was selling from here, right? Price was selling from here. But when it got here, we had a shift in market structure, which is showing that there's a potential move for upside. There's a higher chance that price is going up and does not want to sell anymore, which actually happened. Okay, but you need to be able to understand H4 time frame, because H4 time frame gives you a clear direction bias. Okay, or else you'll just be taking trades. It's not just about the pattern. You need to be able to read the storyline. What's actually happened? What's the order flow? What's the direction? All those things. Yeah. So this is what happened on H4, which we've drawn out. Now we're on the H1 time frame, right? So here I can see we had a sweep, right? We had a sweep. This guy went up to break the structure, right? And this is a liquidity. This is a liquidity point. Don't mind me. I like to change my lines, right? So we had a liquidity point. Let me make it bigger so you can see. Look at that. Okay, so this is a stop on breaking market structure, structural liquidity. Okay, right. So I like to draw my Fibonacci to see the structural liquidity. If you've watched the previous video before this on this YouTube channel, you should understand what I'm trying to talk about. So if you don't understand what I'm talking about with 71% Fib right now, please go back to that video. Watch the video before this one, exactly before this one. I explained some things there. Okay, so I like my structural liquidity to be at the 71% Fib. All right, but this is not at the 71% Fib. Okay, so I just drew my Fibonacci from the stop points, that's from the strong high to the weak, from the strong low to the weak high, right? That's what I just drew my Fibonacci, and I have 0.71 percent, like 0.71% Fibonacci. Yeah, right. So I always like my structural liquidity to be here or even below it, but it's not, it's close. So I might take this setup. It's not an A setup for me. So I'll just enter at the 71% fib. It's not an A setup for me. It's a B setup. Okay. If I take this kind of setup, I won't risk much. But this is not the setup I actually want to talk about. This is not it. But then let's just, and I would like to do 2 pips or 2.5 pips stop loss. Okay. Below the low, I mean, below the strong low, just to give space for spread and whatever. And you can see this trade actually went up and did a 1 to, let me delete the Fibonacci. It did a 1 to 2.1, right? So yeah, that was what I actually played out there. That played out there. So let me go to my trade now and break down this trade to you. The reason why I explain this one is because it actually leads into this. So, when we've determined that price did a shift in market structure, which I explained here, which shows that price is going up, you can keep looking for your setup in that direction. All right. And if you want to learn more about this kind of strategy, you can just chat the admin hub in Telegram. You can just check Telegram for automated IQ. All right, search automated IQ on Telegram, chat admin hub, and then we'll add you to our mentorship program. Okay, so yeah, so how did I see this sell? How did I anticipate this sell for price to sell like this? Was because price have been buying up right from this shift in market structure. Yeah, price have been buying up. So what you need to understand that you need to understand direction. Okay, you need to understand direction. Price keeps breaking this high, see, keeps breaking this high. Let me change this to the ticker. It keeps breaking highs, right? Keeps breaking high, which means it's on it's H4, it's an uptrend, right? Price is bullish. But all of a sudden, it got to this point and it didn't break this high anymore. Rather, it came down and broke this low. It's a clear sign of market change, like market is changing direction. Okay? This is one way you can use to know market direction. I'm not telling you it works every time. It does not 100% of the time, but at least it gives you an edge. All right, so you not just be going on the lower time frame and be looking for setups. If you should understand this, then you will know that, oh, there's a higher chance, 80%, 70%, 60% higher chance that price has changed direction. Now it's going bearish. So this kind of structure is not a shift market. This is normal breaking market structure. This is a shift market structure. So there are two ways you can use to know price is changing direction. You can either use a shift market structure, which looks like this. All right. If it is a break market structure, it will look like this. Can you see the difference? This one did not take out this low, but this one took out this low. That's the difference. This is for a bullish scenario. Let's do for a bearish scenario. If it's a bearish scenario, okay, hold on. Let me take this out. If it's a bearish scenario, you see for a shift of market structure, let's do shift of market, which is this one. Let's do shift of market structure first. You see something like this, right? Well, if it's a sell scenario for break market structure, we see something like this, right? So these are the two ways you can know on the higher time frame, like H4, you can know if price is actually has changed direction. It does not work 100% of the times, but it gives you an edge to know what price is doing most of the times, and you will make more money that way. Okay, so apply this to your strategy. Whatever strategy you are actually working with, it works, right? It's applicable to all strategies. All right, so now that we know that price have changed direction to the downside, to the bearish. So what will you be looking for? You should be looking for shorts, right? If you're looking for buy, there's a higher chance that your stop loss will be hit, right? Because it means you're not going with the big banks, you're not going in the direction of the big boys, right? So let's go to each one now and look for a setup in that direction. So simply that's what I just did, right? And I could see that this is the last high before this main high, right? Which is our structural liquidity. Once again, we don't know what structural liquidity is. Watch the previous video before this, or if you want in-depth understanding, you can join our mentorship program. Okay. So yeah, I could see this is a structural liquidity, right? And if I drop my Fibonacci from the strong high to the weak low, I can see that this guy is above 71% fee. This structural liquidity, so I love this. I love this so much. It gives me, I give me that confidence. I'm not saying it works every time, but it gives me confidence that there's a high chance that this is going to hold, right? So I entered here, exactly just here. Like you can see, I shared in the VIP signal, and I shared the VIP, the channel with you, automated IQ channel with you to see proof. Okay, and if you still want to see proof, you can just join the channel, search automated IQ on Telegram, and you will see the channel there. So like I said, I do 2 to 2.5 pips stop loss for currency pairs, except GU. GU is the only one I do 5 pips stop loss. GU is very, very volatile. Sometimes it could just go higher than the strong high and then still go in my direction. So yeah. So yeah, that's was how this, and then you know what we target, right? It's the weak low we target. So that was how we were able to make 4R on this trade. As simple as that, right? So you can see it's pretty straightforward. You understanding H4 time frame and making sure your structural liquidity is at 71% fee. It's actually no brainer. Like it's no big deal. It's as simple as this. This is one way I was able to use this strategy, because I see a lot of people talking about this strategy online. I see it a lot, right? Right? I'm sure you've seen this as pattern a lot, but then what makes this pattern hold more? What makes it higher probability is trading on a higher time frame, right? And understanding that the structural liquidity has to be in a premium on a discount, very much in a discount or premium. So yeah, so that was how we were able to catch this. It's as simple as that. So if you want to join the VIP signal room, like I said, it's free. Just chat the admin hub on the Telegram channel and you'll be added as quickly as possible. So join us now. You have sent about 3 other setups to the VIP signal channel, and one of the setup is about to pick entry, right? So you don't want to miss out on this easy, sweet setups like this. January has been profitable so far. Only 3 trades we've seen so far in January. I mean, that we've sent to the VIP. I have seen more than that. Well, we've only sent 3 trades to the VIP signal room. And if you join, you will testify yourself. And we've won 2 and lost 1. The first one is the GDP USD that did 5R, right? You did 5R. That's 5%, which is, and this is 4.4, right? So if you had 5 plus 4.4, that's 9.5, and we've lost one trade, and that's 1.5. So in total, we're in a profit of 8.5, right? Two wins, 1 loss. Our wins always cover the loss. So yeah, if you like this kind of video, please like, share with your friends. Don't forget to join the VIP Signal channel. It's free, and do well to subscribe. And I will see you on the next one.